So if y'all looking at this, you notice how dirty my intake is. That's a big problem. Actually, this is the throttle body. Some which is initially by saying it's the TB, short for throttle body. Now, usually you're supposed to clean this out every so often. I say about twice a year, maybe once, depending on how much you drive your car. Now you see all this oil going into my air intake. That's a big no-no. That might be signs of this whole entire intake system is leaking. I'm coming through my air intake, which means I would have to take this whole thing off and replace it. That could be a very expensive repair, even if I do it myself, because it's time consuming and I no longer want to work on cars anymore. But this is what y'all gonna have to deal with, especially with a 2014 Chevy Traverse. And to me, the Chevy Traverse are some of the most underbuilt vehicles that I know of, because you're gonna have multiple leaks everywhere, especially after the 100,000 mark as far as mileage. So if you got a Chevy Traverse, especially the 2014 area, be on the lookout for leaks from your steering pump, your transmission, and your engine, and as we can see, your intake. So be careful, ladies and gentlemen.